Hello guys, it's your girl Heritage Makgae. If you're new here, welcome to the Good Vibes and please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for coming back. So guys, it's early in the morning, so we woke up to cook food. So yeah, we didn't want to go to restaurants, so we decided to cook food so that we can eat to our heart content, you know, the vibes. So yeah guys, I'm cooking chakalaka and also preparing the pastry with Nutella inside, and Khwetimang is frying the pianos, Tato is cooking the balls, my mom is cooking the porridge, and other food are prepared by other people who are far away from us. So they're preparing the garlic buns and also the wings, and they're also bringing the snacks, you know, the vibes like water, juice, simbers, yeah. So cook with us.
The gel before I could like fry the
I'm busy cutting them like this way. So I'm gonna show you guys the end product, and while I'm frying them, there's no space on the stove, so now I'm just cutting them. So I can have like guys, raru, as you guys can see, raru, nani tharo raru.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Hello, sis Magda.
We are here.
What's mangan ko papini mo ya pa.
Yes, we are ready.
How's that, Amaya?
Are you not chickening
No, we are doing this.
How's that, Amaya? Phone ya ka kopa la phone ka lo bekeng tsietso. Okay.
So here we have 10 different slides. Our slide differ with length, speed, and height. The longest slide is 230 meters. The shortest one is 70 meters. So you're gonna use 2 cables to slide: the main cable and the backup cable. Third one is for the emergency brake. Just in case if you fail to brake, France will use the emergency brake on the other side to stop you. When you slide, you'll be attached 3 times, no chances of falling. The pulley go first, cowtail behind, rope lanyard on the backup cable. So your weakest hand, you hold these two together here. Your strongest hand, which is the right hand, the padded one, You keep it distance from the pulley, always behind. Don't put your hand too close to the pulley. Don't put your hand on top of the pulley. Never, never put your hand in front of the running pulley. Because the pulley runs with your body weight. If you put your hand in front, it can hurt your fingers. Hand always distance behind. How do you slide? You keep your hand loose to slide. The lighter your hand is, the more you move. When you slide in, then Francis brake, pull down, let your hand glide with the friction. The more friction you apply on the cable, the more you reduce the speed. The lighter your hand is, the faster you go. So you don't tap, you don't close your hand. You just pull down. If you close your hand, the pulley will move forward with your body. You can dislocate your shoulder, depending on how fast you're going. So don't close your hand. With an open hand, use your fingers, pull down the cable. Okay. So Franz will demonstrate for us how to slide. Sit down, lift up your legs, you go. Fast uzamani.
It values.
Fast. Can see how?
Usa. Aru. Oh my phone, I love you. We have to do this. Oh, get calm. Okay. Yes. Slow. This is so nice. Oh my word.
Good, hold the phone, eh?
Okay. Woo.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Grab the cable and pull aside. Good, pull. Good.
You. Hey. You get us a churro to watch over.
Okay.
You. Yeah.
One of it is your.
Or just take it name. We can do. Slow down. Helicopter. Or e ka re setso lapile so.
I guess it's your fast.
Going, where are we going? Right. Oh, I gotta get us. Yeah. We have it in. Woo, gosh. 'Cause 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 'cause
Shave a break. Good.
Had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What's going wrong, what's saying
Round number 8.
Look how it.
7. How many more to go? 4 more to go.
It's gonna be the one that
I'm ready.
Don't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more.
Yes.
How was it?
It was Jovito. It was fine.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way
We are here, Sondela. So let's see for horse ride and spa, but I'm not going to get a massage. We're just going to do the manicure and pedicure. So let's go. Let's go to Sondela, and you have to be hydrated, right? Let's go. We are with Dean.
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
It's time to eat. Tato come. So guys, now it's time to eat. We are eating. Come, Tato. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the horse ride, so then the spa is on, okay? So I'm going for my manicure and pedicure. So yeah, see you there. Ciao. guys, I'm done with my manicure and pedicure. So basically right now it's time to swim. And what is my feedback? So basically guys, I enjoyed, right? So I couldn't vlog while doing my manicure, right? A lot happened, hey, but then at least I have like a short videos to show, you know, my manicure session. So yeah, my day is fantastic. Like, you know what, thank you for this grateful experience. And yeah, right now my gel is this shade of pink, and on my toes is another shade of pink. So I'm a pinky girl as usual. So let's go swim now. Ciao. Let's go.